What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use GCash to buy games on Steam. So first you need to head over to the Steam's website and install the Steam application. And after installing the Steam application, you need to log in with your Steam account. And after that, on the right side of your Steam application at the top, you will see the option of Manage Account. Click on that and then click on View My Profile. When you click on view my profile here, you will see the option of funds. But if you can't see it here, you can again click it and then click on account details. And after clicking on account details on the left side at the top, you can see add funds to your Steam wallet. Click on this. And after that, when the funds page opens, click on add funds. And when the option comes to choose a payment, a drop-down menu will appear by clicking on select a payment method, and after that from here you will see the option of Gcash. Click on that Gcash option and then you will be able to pay with your Gcash. So this is how you can buy games on Steam using Gcash. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.